I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious feta cheese salad. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 large, ripe tomatoes, 1 crisp cucumber, and 1 small red onion. Don't forget a generous block of authentic feta cheese, approximately 8 ounces, and fresh herbs like parsley or oregano. For the dressing, have on hand extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Now, let's prepare our fresh vegetables. Start by dicing your 2 large, ripe tomatoes and 1 crisp cucumber into roughly 1/2-inch pieces. Next, thinly slice 1 small red onion, separating the rings to ensure they distribute evenly throughout the salad. Place all these beautifully cut vegetables into a large mixing bowl. This careful preparation ensures every bite is perfectly balanced and enjoyable. For the vibrant dressing, combine 3 tablespoons of high-quality extra virgin olive oil with 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar in a small bowl. Whisk these together until well emulsified. Season the dressing with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Gently pour this flavorful dressing over your mixed vegetables. Finally, crumble approximately 8 ounces of creamy feta cheese directly over the top. Now it's time to bring everything together. Gently toss all the ingredients in the bowl, ensuring the dressing evenly coats every piece of vegetable and the feta is well distributed. This salad is best served fresh, perhaps as a delightful side dish to grilled chicken or fish, or as a light and refreshing meal on its own. For an extra touch, consider adding about 1/2 cup of Kalamata olives or some colorful bell peppers. Enjoy your homemade delicious feta cheese salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.